Hello my friend, welcome to my channel, Magical Drawing. Subscribe to me. Let's draw and color grapes together. We need these colors: pink, red violet, fuchsia, red, ultramarine, and green. And now an interesting fact about grapes. Grapes contain more than 150 biologically active substances, including more than 10 vitamins. Ripe grapes contain 14–25% of soluble and easily digestible sugars in the form of glucose and fructose. Glucose is incredibly useful for the body, because it is exactly the type of sugar that all others must turn into before entering the human blood. Grapes have long been not only consumed, but also used in the treatment of many diseases: anemia, hypertension, gout, arthritis, angina, kidney diseases, chronic diseases of the stomach, gastritis and intestines, atonia, constipation, hemorrhoids, as well as the liver, gallbladder and biliary tracts, lungs, tuberculosis, bronchial asthma, pleurisy. Grapes help improve metabolism and also help with nervous exhaustion.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Don't forget to subscribe and like me. I will be very happy.
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four, he ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five, she went to hide. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Thank you for being with me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.